we'll move on to our next segment now. So this one's called Two Truths and a Lie.
Okay.
And to basically understand more about your journey with, whether it's with Mentopreneur or with CreateUp, what you have to do is give us 3 statements from which 2 explain the big moments at either of the companies or your personal life. That's up to you. And 1 is a false statement. So these can be challenges, achievements, just facts. So 2 are true and 1 is a lie. We will be then guessing the lie.
Right. Okay. So I have represented my country on an international level. I couldn't talk in English up until the 10th grade. And I like traveling.
It's actually hard.
It's a tough one.
It's a tough one. I'm going to go with the second one only. But you say?
It has to be different. To give a different answer, I'll say that you like traveling is a lie. So you don't like traveling.
Yeah, I don't like traveling that much.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
How come? Just
I hate the travel.
Yeah.
I like to see other places, but I hate the travel part. I don't know if it makes sense.
Yeah.
I hate the airports. I hate the train journeys. I just don't like it. It's too taxing.
But isn't like the place that you go to rewarding enough?
Yes, but I'll think twice. Like,
so it has to really be worth it.
Yeah, it has to really be worth it.
I love airports. Yeah. I can spend my life in airports and be happy.
Yeah.
I love traveling.
I don't know what it is. I just love airports. But obviously, I also say this because in the last few years, I haven't been to that many countries where the airport infrastructure is not that great.
Mm-hmm.
So I love just exploring airports and eating at different places because you get local fast food.
Yeah.
Not local food, but local fast food. So I find interest in all of those things.
Yeah, see, I like that. I like learning. Once I'm at the place, then it's fine.
Yeah.
But the whole travel part is something that I hate.
Yeah. I don't enjoy the travel that much, but I don't think too much into it. But I love the travel, to go to a new place and explore the city.
Yeah, that's
fun. I love that.
That's fun.
Fun. I mean, it can be a small town also, but I enjoy going and.
Yeah, I'm very boring there.
Wait, we completely skipped over the fact that you couldn't speak English until.
That's true.
What?
Yeah, that's true. So I couldn't speak in English up until the 10th grade because I studied in a Gujarati medium school. So I was in New Era before I joined Aditya Birla.
Okay.
And of course that was an SSC, a state board school, and that was just the environment, right? Your friends were good Jews, your family, my family is good Jews, so we speak Gujarati, and English was just a language for us to get marks. So we never had a real conversation in English apart from the English teacher. So it was very difficult for me. And
so how was it then in 11th grade for you?
It was very daunting at the start.
I'm sure, yeah.
Because I got into an international board with kids coming from different schools, some from international schools, and coming from boarding schools that spoke English, and we're like, okay, hey, here people talk in English. They have a conversation in English. And of course it was difficult because you feel out of place, but then again, you take it up as a challenge. Then I took English language as my SL, and then I of course did classes and coaching classes and elocution classes and things like that to sort of get to where
there was no way I would have ever guessed that after having spoken to you for the last hour.
It was challenging at the start, but
I'm just trying to imagine how you learn English in Gujarati.
Yeah.
Like that.
And sometimes the English teacher spoke to us in Gujarati. So imagine how that.
Hard.
There's always that thing that as you grow older, it becomes tougher and tougher to learn anything because your body becomes more and more habituated to whatever you're used to doing. And language is a thing that follows that trend very strongly.
And English.
Yeah. And English, exactly.
So it was a journey. process.
Interesting.
Interesting. But yeah.